Hello. Let me show you a couple enhancements we made to our two Master D Crius bikes today. First is this thing, this cute little thing here. What is this all about? It's to hold a box. It's a Brompton design. So this box, right, instead of strapping it to your handlebar, it comes like that. And if I open the box, you can see that there is a ample space to carry stuff, especially a handphone, right? Handphone, very important. Okay, this is a box. Oops, sorry, let me do it again. Box. Okay, here you go, the box. Very sturdy. Open it up. This is what it looks like. And put your phone. Woo. As you can see, no problem fitting my iPhone. Okay, now what do you do with this? Okay, the whole idea is you don't want to have to put the box up here in front of you, right? Usually those Velcro solutions kind of put it here, which works. So Brompton, being the premier 4D bike specialist, came up with this design on their bikes, which other bike manufacturers can now copy. Right, you buy this thing, it comes with the box and the housing here, which you attach using 3M6, I believe, screws. They give you one bolt, and then there's another screw device here for the locking mechanism. And if you look behind, this is what it looks like. So I show you from this angle. What you do is you put it in from the top, right? So very easy. Show you this angle. Put it in that, and make sure you hear a click. Oops, that's a click. Click. Where are you? Oops, let me try again. Yep. Okay. Yep, there. Click. Okay. Now, look at it. Looks pretty good. Very sturdy. It's held in place. It's almost like a hard case. And anytime you want your stuff after you stop your bike, you got to use this handle here, release it. Release it. You need to release it and then push it up. Voila! Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Now, this is a very clever design. I think they copied it from Brompton. That is the first enhancement to the purple bike. Enhancement to the black one. Well, this one decided not to put a box but a light. Again, a Brompton design. There's one hole here on the Master D Crius with a long nut and bolt behind. Nut, bolt. This is round piece in front where then you can mount the light housing, mount here, and then you can turn the light on before you ride, and it gives you well, better light shooting at the floor rather than from your handlebar. Okay, isn't that cool? Yeah. Now the problem is we can't have both on the Master D Crius because when you try to put a box and stuff, it's just not enough space. Yeah, so this bike, the owner rider wants the box. This bike, put the light, and then we see how it goes. Right? Good fun, huh? Bye.